Introduction: The Power of Effective Credit Dispute Letters. If you are seeking to remove negative accounts from your credit report, particularly those that have been incorrectly reported, you may be overlooking a critical step. This report will introduce a powerful letter that stands apart from traditional dispute letters. It is designed to effectively remove negative items from your credit report, possibly within the next 7 days. The strategic use of this letter will help you challenge any inaccuracies, especially for older accounts, thus improving your credit score and providing you with an effective solution for credit repair. Footnote: This section outlines the introduction of a powerful dispute letter aimed at removing negative accounts from credit reports using a strategic and legal approach. Why traditional dispute methods are ineffective. Many individuals, when attempting to repair their credit, opt for online dispute methods. However, these online disputes can permanently solidify negative profiles on your credit report, rather than remove them. To ensure that negative accounts are completely erased, you must engage in offline disputing. This process requires you to send physical letters to the 3 main credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, requesting that they investigate the accuracy of certain accounts. The advantage of offline disputing is that it allows you to highlight discrepancies in account amounts reported across different credit reports. For instance, you may find that the amounts owed on your charge-off accounts differ between the 3 credit bureaus. Since it is impossible for all 3 reports to be correct simultaneously, this inconsistency warrants further investigation and potential removal of the accounts from your credit history. Footnote: This section emphasizes the importance of offline disputing over online methods, explaining how discrepancies across credit bureaus can be leveraged to remove negative accounts. The role of handwritten dispute letters. In today's technological age, credit bureaus often process dispute letters through automated systems, which can be inefficient and unreliable. While a physical human may open these letters, they are frequently processed by computers, which do not investigate the dispute thoroughly. To bypass this issue, you can use handwritten letters or fonts that mimic handwriting. By doing so, you can confuse the automated systems and increase the likelihood that a human will handle your case directly, leading to a more thorough investigation and, often, the removal of inaccurate negative accounts. You can download free handwriting fonts from various websites and apply them to your dispute letters in Microsoft Word. Using multiple handwriting fonts within the letter will further complicate the automated systems, ensuring that a human being processes your dispute. Sending these letters via trackable mail to each credit bureau, without opting for signature confirmation or certified mail, is sufficient to ensure you receive confirmation when your letters are received. Footnote: This section explains how handwriting or handwriting-like fonts can help avoid automated processing, ensuring that a human reviews your credit dispute, thereby improving the chances of success. Choosing the right accounts for dispute. When disputing negative items, focus on closed accounts, charge-offs, and accounts from credit collection agencies, as these are the easiest to remove, particularly if they are older. It is important to exclude open revolving accounts, such as current credit cards or loans, as well as any bankruptcy-related accounts at this stage. These accounts require a different approach and should be handled separately. By targeting closed accounts, you are more likely to succeed in the dispute process, as creditors often fail to provide adequate documentation when such accounts are requested for verification. Including these items in your handwritten dispute letters will significantly improve the chances of removal, as these accounts often lack the necessary information to be verified by the credit bureaus. Footnote: This section advises which types of accounts to dispute, recommending that you focus on closed accounts and charge-offs while avoiding open revolving accounts or bankruptcy claims. The benefits of multiple fonts in dispute letters. To further enhance the effectiveness of your dispute letters, consider using multiple fonts within the letter. By selecting fonts that resemble handwriting, and mixing these fonts throughout the document, you increase the chances of triggering a human review rather than an automated process. The key to success is ensuring the letter looks personal and unique, making it less likely that the automated system will process it without direct human involvement. This method helps ensure that your dispute receives the attention it deserves, improving your odds of successfully having negative accounts removed from your credit report. Footnote: this section explains how using multiple handwriting-like fonts within a dispute letter can increase the likelihood of a human reviewing the dispute, leading to better results. Sending your dispute letters. Once your handwritten letters are ready, you must mail them to each credit bureau, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Ensure that each letter is sent separately and via trackable mail to confirm that the bureaus have received them. While you do not need to use certified mail or signature confirmation, it is crucial to have tracking to monitor the status of your dispute. By following this process, you increase your chances of successfully challenging negative accounts on your credit report and improving your credit score in the shortest time possible. Footnote: this section provides guidance on how to properly send dispute letters to credit bureaus, stressing the importance of trackable mail to confirm receipt. Escalation and legal action. If your dispute letters do not result in the removal of negative accounts within 30 days, you can escalate the issue by filing complaints with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, or your state attorney general. Additionally, you may choose to file federal complaints if the credit bureaus or creditors continue to violate the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. As a final resort, consider pursuing legal action, which may not only remove the negative accounts but could also result in compensation for damages caused by the violation. Footnote: this section outlines the steps to escalate disputes, including filing complaints and legal action if the credit bureaus or creditors fail to remove inaccurate information. Conclusion: the power of persistence and strategy. By using offline disputing methods, handwritten fonts, and a strategic approach, you can effectively challenge and remove negative accounts from your credit report. While it may take some time and effort, the rewards of a cleaner credit report and improved credit score are well worth it. Persist in your efforts, and use legal tools and escalation methods to ensure your rights are upheld under the FCRA. With patience and determination, you can successfully remove negative items from your credit report and take control of your financial future. Footnote: this section emphasizes the importance of persistence and strategy in the dispute process, highlighting how offline disputing and legal escalation can help ensure the removal of negative accounts from your credit report.